This is a quick demo of the Hagibis Magnetic stand for the iPad, as it has magnets built in. Very secure. Goes in like that, and I can flip it up. So if I don't have a standing desk, I can totally look at the screen like so. I can easily remove it. This logo needs to face up, so it lines up with the internal batteries, internal magnets from the iPad. It also does rotation. Highly adjustable. It's very sturdy. It's all metal. There are 2 screws down there. Assembling of this product takes about 1 minute. You just put in 2 screws. This hinge is very, very strong. Okay, and it's rotatable. When it's rotating, the base will not move at all. It's very stable. A fantastic productivity tool to keep the iPad at eye level. Highly recommend it. Go check it out.